Have you ever wondered why, in moments of pressure or uncertainty, your heart races, your muscles tense, or you can't seem to focus? That feeling is stress, something we all experience at different times. But what exactly is stress? Is it just a reaction to our surroundings, or is it something more complex that affects our mental, emotional, and even physical well-being? In today's video, we're going to break down the concept of stress, what it really is, how it impacts us, and why it's not always a bad thing. Stick around because understanding stress might just be the key to managing it better. What is stress? Stress is your body's natural response to challenges or threats, often referred to as the fight or flight reaction. When you encounter a situation that feels overwhelming or dangerous, your body releases hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. These hormones prepare you to react by increasing your heart rate, enhancing focus, and boosting your energy levels. In short, stress equips you to either face a challenge head-on or to run from it. But stress isn't always about immediate danger. It's also triggered by more subtle or long-term situations, like work deadlines, financial concerns, relationship issues, or even changes in your environment. While these don't pose a physical threat, your body reacts similarly, preparing you to cope with these perceived challenges. The types of stress. Stress can be broadly classified into three types. 1. Acute stress. This is short-term stress and is often what we experience in day-to-day situations, such as when we're running late for a meeting or facing an unexpected problem. Acute stress can actually be motivating and beneficial in small doses because it helps us focus and solve immediate issues. 2. Chronic stress. When stress persists over a longer period, it becomes chronic. This can happen due to ongoing pressures, such as financial hardship, difficult relationships, or long-term health concerns. Chronic stress is harmful to your health because it keeps your body in a constant state of alertness, which over time can lead to issues like high blood pressure, heart disease, and mental health disorders such as anxiety and depression. 3. Eustress. Not all stress is negative. Eustress refers to positive stress, the kind that can energize and motivate you. For example, the excitement before a big event or a promotion at work may cause stress, but it also brings feelings of fulfillment and achievement. The physiology of stress. When you're stressed, the brain sends signals to the hypothalamus, triggering a cascade of responses that involve your endocrine system. The adrenal glands release cortisol and adrenaline, which increase your heart rate, dilate your airways, and divert blood flow to essential organs like the brain and muscles. This response is adaptive in the short term. It helps you stay alert and ready to respond to challenges. However, when stress becomes chronic, the body remains in this heightened state of arousal, which is not sustainable. This prolonged exposure to stress hormones can weaken the immune system, disrupt sleep, and increase the risk of various health conditions, such as cardiovascular disease, digestive problems, and memory issues. Psychological and emotional impact. Beyond the physical effects, stress profoundly affects your mental and emotional health. Under stress, people often experience feelings of anxiety, irritability, or depression. Stress can impair cognitive functions such as concentration, memory, and decision-making. When you're stressed, you might find it harder to think clearly, make rational decisions, or solve problems effectively. Over time, this can lead to burnout, a state of emotional, mental, and physical exhaustion. Chronic stress can also strain relationships. When you're constantly on edge, it can be difficult to communicate effectively, and you may become more prone to conflict. Stress management becomes essential not just for personal well-being, but also for maintaining healthy relationships and a balanced lifestyle. Why stress isn't always bad. Though stress has a bad reputation, it's important to understand that it's not inherently harmful. In fact, stress serves a vital purpose in survival. In prehistoric times, it helped our ancestors react to life-threatening situations. Even today, stress can enhance our performance under pressure. Think about athletes preparing for a big game or professionals facing a critical deadline. Stress can help them rise to the occasion. The key lies in how we manage stress. When we learn to control our reactions and minimize chronic stress, we can harness its benefits without suffering the negative side effects. Managing stress. Effective stress management starts with awareness. Recognizing the early signs of stress, whether physical, emotional, or behavioral, allows you to take proactive steps before stress escalates. 1. Relaxation techniques. Deep breathing, meditation, and mindfulness can help calm the mind and body. These techniques reduce cortisol levels and shift your nervous system from a fight or flight mode to a more relaxed state. 2. Physical activity. Exercise is one of the best ways to combat stress. Physical movement releases endorphins, often called the feel-good hormones, which help reduce tension and improve mood. 3. Time management. Much of daily stress comes from feeling overwhelmed by tasks and responsibilities. Learning to prioritize, set realistic goals, and delegate can significantly reduce stress levels. 4. Healthy lifestyle choices. A balanced diet, proper sleep, and staying hydrated contribute to your body's ability to handle stress. Caffeine and sugar can worsen stress, while nutrient-rich foods and hydration help maintain energy levels and emotional stability. 5. Social support. Talking to friends, family, or even a professional counselor can help alleviate the emotional burden of stress. Sometimes, sharing your feelings or getting a different perspective can make challenges seem more manageable. So, now that you have a better understanding of what stress is, remember, while stress is a natural part of life, it doesn't have to control you. By recognizing the signs of stress and learning how to manage it, you can turn this biological response into a tool for personal growth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into mental health and wellness. Let's continue to take care of our minds and bodies, because a healthy mind leads to a healthier life. Thanks for watching.